Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Swetfela 6-in-1 camera tool for earwax removal with tweezers. It's a near scope, an otoscope set with 6 LED camera lights and a visual ear picker. It's a cordless earwax remover in dark black, that is the DF004. On the market, it's also available in standard black. Painless ear tweezers. We say goodbye to painful cleaning. This presses tweezers with a camera gently remove earwax without skin contact, nearly without skin contact. This is ideal for sensitive ear channels or delicate children's ears. If we hate water in our ears but still want to a gentle painless clean, these visual earwigs are a perfect solution for that. We have the Clearest 1296 PhD images. We view the earwax and the ear channel structure in crystal clear detail with the built-in 1296 PhD camera for presses and safe cleaning. That's more than just an earwax remover, because the powerful illuminated otoscope camera enables independent and examinations, safe and reliable. It's suitable for adults, children, and pets. Examine ears, teeth, nostrils, throat, scalp, and more. Of course, not recommended for moving children or pets, except with experience with the device. Then we have a home endoscope here. This monitors our ear channel at home, and easily we can share photos, videos with our doctor before visiting it. This 6-in-1 set enables us to take our ear health into our own hands as a simple, effective alternative to expensive doctor's appointments. Connection is only between the smartphone and the device. No internet access is required for that, so our data will remain private. And it makes a good job because we have a 6-in-1 multifunctional ear channel removal device with a HD camera. Painless and safe cleaning set for our ear care or our nose care or our scalp care, or where we have holes you can penetrate this device into that area. Tweezers, spoon, an HD camera, Wi-Fi, waterproof of course, 230 milliampere hour. For tips, we can take pictures, we can record videos, and we have a 360 degrees painless solution. We discovered the gentle, efficient, and complete painless cleaning with the e-tweezers. And extra pinching, no skin contact, because we can make it gentle. We enjoy a soothing, irritation-free cleaning without contact with the posterior auditory channel. And of course, we have efficient tweezers, water-free. Effortless removal of the wax. With the tweezers, no risk of rinsing repeated. That's good, yeah. The tweezers can go into it, and we can look where we are going to. And we can use a spoon, for example, to extract everything. It's easy, safe, and painless. 4.2 millimeter in diameter, that's enough. The diameter of the external acoustic meter is 5 up to 9 millimeter, so you can check the ears, check the nose, check the teeth, check the skin, check what you like with that device. This is the 6-in-1 Swetfela camera tool for earwax removal with tweezers, ear scope, otoscope, set with 6 LED camera lights, visual ear picker, cordless, earwax remover in dark. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.